So here's how to change Shopify header color on mobile. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify mobile account, now here you have to simply click on these three dots at the top right corner. Once you click on it, now this menu will appear. From here you have to simply click on the online store option. Once you click on the online store option, now it will take you to this menu. Now from this menu you have to simply click on these three dots at the top right corner. Once you click on these three dots, now here you have to click on the theme settings option. After that, from here you have to simply click on the colors option, and now you will be able to view this menu. Now from here you have to select the color that you want to change or that you want to apply as your background color of the theme. Here you can even change the color of your font on your theme. To change the color you have to go to that color palette, and after that from here you have to select that color that you want to apply as your theme header color. Here you will be able to do the customization of your theme header on mobile. So that's how to change color of your theme header on mobile.